Hey, hey, it's the 12th of the 12th on this very misty, mystical morning. I can hear in the ether with my ears, and I can see with my eyes the angels. So I'm using this symbolic situation on the doorstep between the worlds. Because I can hear people asking, what does the jester really want? What does God really want? What is his job? Well, let me tell you, in micro or in macro, it's the same. And as I go to work today in the micro, I'm going to the farm. I'm all about taking care of the earth, the animals, the living. I'm about life. I want to be about life. I am about life. Not I want to be. I am about life. I look after the animals so that I can show the children and teach the children. Yeah. And in macro, it's about the children and the same and the animals. And this morning I heard this morning that the number one cause of death for kids in 2025 was that motherfucker Benjamin fucking Netanyahu. Yeah, they say it was Israel, but let's be honest. Okay, yes, the people of Israel do not stop him, but the fucking rest of the world don't stop him as well. And how can that be that we all sit here watching, but in places like Switzerland and wherever, they're talking about me. Do you see the contradiction? And this is the contradiction I need to stop. I want to stop, and that's what I've got no fear for. I've got no fear for anyone who kicks me in the shin, and I've got no fear for anyone who kills the children like they do. So this is what I'm here for. I want to teach the children to live with no fear. I want to create and design a world that children don't have to have fear. And you know what? We're still talking about the children in Israel. How many animals do you think have survived in Gaza? It'll probably only be the cockroaches that are still alive, because nothing else is going to be there. The fucking amount of bombs they've dropped. I mean, let's talk about it seriously, yeah? How many animals have survived in Gaza? Not a lot, I'm telling you. So, micro, I'm going to the farm. And at the farm, I'll be feeding all the animals, the sheep, and carry on designing what I'm doing, yeah? I'll design the animal park, which I'm going to call Nashville. Because it's polytunnel, the vegetables, that's done. And I'll feed the cows and I'll feed the chickens, because old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And it's all going to be, so one day when the children come, I can teach them and show them about it. I can teach the big kids as well. That doesn't matter, I don't care who. Because I care so much for the world, I don't fucking care, at all who I teach and what animals I do, or if I'm shoveling shit all day. I really don't care. At the same time, because I don't care who is in front of me, I will tell Benjamin, put Benjamin in front of me now, and he will never do anything again. Oh, he will never do anything again. Right? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's what I'm all about. And I'm not here to shout out loud. And I'm not here. Right. I think I've brought over my point, yeah? In micro, in macro. And the timeline, you want a timeline? Well, let's do it. Let's do it yesterday. Because, I mean, if we had done it yesterday, then all the children would still be alive. Yeah. Tucker Carlson finally talked about it yesterday. Finally came out, but I wonder, we'll see what happens out of that. I'm not sure if it's propaganda or if it's the truth. Well, we'll see. Its proof is in the pudding. But yeah, still. So, I'm in training. I'm walking. I'm talking. I'm doing it all that needs to be done. You know what? I really am having fun. Ain't this looking good, this jacket? Oh, Father Christmas sold me this. He didn't give me it, he sold me it. Because, I mean, we're in the modern day world, Father Christmas doesn't give out presents. But anyway, I'm off to see the wizard. Or to be the wizard. Either way, it doesn't matter. I say what I say because it has to be done. And I don't care what I do because I really, really, really care. And it's the same for you. Think what you want. I don't care what you think of me because I can't be anyone else but me. So thank you, Lord, for letting me be you. And thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for letting me be your jester. And thank you, Lord, for accepting me as I am and looking after me. Thank you, Lord. And thank you for watching. Oh, and if you want to know what's going to carry on some more, like, follow and describe. And for the merchandise office, put it on a t-shirt, would you? I care, so I don't care. I don't care, 'cause I care.